That's how I like to do it, you know what I'm saying? My real name is Dexter. I got a lot more diamonds too. I just got new diamonds, by the way. Oh, whoa. Dexter. Ooh. Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I ain't doing no plan, baby, you did. Dexter. Ooh, wait. Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I ain't doing no plan, these red bottoms.
What's up, my supreme? What's good, my team? What's up, guys? It's your girl Adriana, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a facial video. Now I know you're looking at me like, girl, you done switched it up on us. You done switched your words. Yes, I done switched my words up. Let me know if you, in the comments down below, if you like it, because it was just something that I thought about last minute. Like literally as soon as I turned on the camera, I was just like, oh, let me say this. And I just want to know what you guys think about it. If you think it should be my permanent little catchphrase that I say at the beginning of all my videos, let me know in the comments down below what you think about the catchphrase. Now today's gonna be a facial routine video. Well, not a facial routine. Today is gonna be a DIY video, and basically I'm going to be trying out this little gold 24 karat gold facial mask from TJ Maxx that I got, and I want to try it so bad because like I see a lot of people use, you know, 24 karat gold mask, and they spend like thousands, like hundreds of thousands of dollars on this mask that they think is going to be making their skin look nice and right and whatever. So I wanted to go and get something a little cheap. I want to do it myself and see how does this look. Does it really look like a gold mask? And I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. So we're gonna jump on into that video, but first, if you're new or returning and have not already hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the Supreme team. While you're at it, make sure you give my video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on that bell button to turn on my post notifications to know when I post, because I do post weekly. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hey, like I said before, I got this from TJ Maxx, and it was only $4.99 at TJ Maxx, and basically it just come with this big jar of gold 24 karat gold mask, and it also come with a splat. I don't know what this thing is really called, but I call it a splat. So yeah, okay. So basically on the little description, this little paragraph right here is basically saying that this gold gel face mask offers intense hydration, and it's supposed to be smooth and help soften your skin, and it also helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So we're gonna see about that today. Okay. So I'm just gonna take off my glasses, and if you see me looking this way or down, is because my mirror is literally right in front of me, and you guys know I am blind. So get out of routine, bro. Ooh, can you guys see that? Ooh. Now I know you see it, because it look like it's so hot. Wait, baby, wait. Like, y'all, look. This really looked like a gold mask. Oh my god. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, I want to finish the whole face. Oh my god. Oh my god, I want to finish the whole face now. Oh my god, I'm excited. Alright, you guys, so I put everything all over my face. I'm not going to do a thick coat because it really doesn't need it, because it is a gel mask at the end of the day. So it's not like it's going to harden on your face or whatever the case may be. So I'm just going to show you guys it in the light, like what it looks like. Now I like this mask because it looks gold. Like if you sit home and do it yourself, and with this product and this brand, like you'll see that it does look gold, but it's not as high color gold as you expect it to be, but it's still gold. So yeah, I mean, I like it. I like using gel masks because I feel like it just like hydrates hydrates and moisturize at the same time to me. But you know, everybody's different, so that's my disclaimer. I like gel masks because it's like really hydrating, and you feel the cool sensation as you let it sit on your face. So yeah, so I'm just gonna set my timer and have this sit on my face for 15 minutes, and I'll catch you back in 15 minutes.
wanna take now. I throw a little money at the twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Look what the girl did to me. She done cut me out from a good love.
Alright y'all, so it's officially been 15 minutes. So as you guys can see, some parts are dried up, like dried into my skin, and some parts are still wet. What I can say about this mask is that it did have a little tingle feeling, but it's not like how you know, like high tingling. It was just like a little tingle here and there. So I guess those are like my problem areas, which was being healed with the facial mask, because as you guys may or may not know, I do have very dry skin, so I felt like this mask would be perfect for me because of the hydration quality, and also keep my face nice and smooth. But it was just a little tingly cool feeling here and there. Other than that, it was just fine. It doesn't drip or anything like that. It literally stays on your face like it's a mask. And yeah, but like I said, some parts did dry up and other parts didn't. So I'm just gonna go in with my little wet rag right here, and I'm just going to wash off the rest. Okay, alright you guys, so this is the final look. I washed everything off my face, so you know, let's talk about how I felt about the mask. So the mask was basically very smooth and hydrating. I felt like it cleared up a lot of acne that I had on my face, but it was like little acne because I don't really have like big outbreak acne. So it was just a little, like right here. I don't know if you guys saw before I put the mask on, but right here I had like a little acne breakout, and I noticed that it did clear up that a little bit because most of the acne marks went down. I still have some, but I know that if I keep using the mask, it'll eventually go down as well, which is good. I also noticed that it was very like it was very like hydrating and moisturizing for my face. If you are somebody who has dry skin like me, gravitating towards this mask would be a plus, because you will like something that hydrates your skin and moisturizes your skin instead of just taking all the moisturization out your face, out your skin. So that is a plus for that. I'm very appreciative that it makes my skin feel nice and moisturized. I also kind of see a little, you know, a little glow, you know, you feel me, little glow, you know, that little glow, that gold, you know, you feel me though, you feel me. Yeah, I really don't have no complaints about this mask. It's really it's a really good product, and it's only $4.99. like, come on, like that's a good product, like, to me, because of the fact that I have dry skin. Disclaimer, I don't know how a person who has oily skin will feel about it, because I don't have oily skin, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. But you know, that's just a disclaimer that everybody's skin type is different. So you know, this product may work for some but not all, so don't get mad at me. I'm just, you know, doing a DIY, you know, just wanted to try it out. But yeah. Oh, by the way, disclaimer, if there are any companies that are out there looking to work with people that does facial skincare products and, you know, like spin brushes and stuff like that, like anything for the face, like just email me down below. My email is in the description box below, because I'm always looking for new products to try. So yeah, that was just my review. No, I was not sponsored by that brand or TJ Maxx. I just wanted to try it out with you guys because I was like, ooh, a little, you know, gold mask, why not? So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below to my channel at Supreme_Queen101. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell button to turn on my post notifications to know when I post, because I do post weekly. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.
That's Barbie tings, big Barbie tings, that's Barbie tings. Barbie dream house, Barbie rings. That's Barbie beach house, Barbie Benz. Barbie white picket, Barbie fence. All tea, all shade, bitch, all offense. If you ever try to confiscate Barbie's kin, I'ma put you in the box where my dolly's been. Chop it up in the next stop, garbage bin. Cause you hoes too old to be gossiping. I'm just trying to find out when the new Porsche come in.